Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. I'm hoping the microphone's working this time. For some reason, it wasn't last time. So I'm going to be showing you how to turn off your delivery optimization. What this is going to do is, what Microsoft does is it takes updates, parts of updates from other computers on your network, which is slowing down your bandwidth because you're sending updates as well. So I'm going to show you how to turn this off. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to name the video because not a lot of people actually know about this. I'm just going to name it Must Turn Off in Windows 10. It's probably going to be fucking clickbait, but that's the only thing I can think of. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings. It doesn't matter how you get to your settings. Just go to Update and Security. You're going to go to Advanced Options. Now this depends on the Windows version, because if you have a different Windows version, then it's going to vary. But you're just going to go to Delivery Optimization here, and then you're going to turn that off. You don't want that on, because what it's going to do is it's going to take updates from other computers and takes them to your computer, which is fine for you, but for other computers, it's probably going to take their bandwidth, and if this is on, it's going to send updates to other computers as well, which you don't want, because then it's going to be taking your Wi-Fi bandwidth and your CPU, and you just trust me, you don't want that. So, quick tutorial. It's mainly a tip. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if that it sucks. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Maybe I can do some other tips and tricks for this video. Maybe I can show you guys how to turn off privacy or turn off Cortana or the Windows Defender. If you guys want to, let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.